Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer loans with Avant detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the loan transfer process with Avant, start by accessing the Avant website or app. Log into your account using your existing credentials. If you do not have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Navigate to the section dedicated to loans or account management. Look for options related to loan transfers or refinancing. Once you find the loan transfer option, click on it to learn more about the process. Read through the terms and conditions to understand any fees or requirements involved. Gather all necessary information regarding the loan you wish to transfer. This information may include your loan number, balance, and lender details. Ensure you have your personal identification documents ready for verification. Fill out the online application form for the loan transfer. Provide accurate information, including your income, employment status, and financial details. Submit any required documents in the specified format. After submission, check your email for confirmation of your application. It may take a few days for Avant to process your request. Stay attentive to your email for any follow-up requests from Avant regarding additional information. Once your application is approved, you will receive details about the new loan terms. Review the new loan agreement carefully before accepting any changes. If you agree to the new terms, follow the instructions provided to complete the transfer. After the transfer is finalized, monitor your account for updates. Contact Avant's customer support if you have any questions or need assistance during the process. Keep documentation of the entire transfer for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.